All right, everyone. So today in this video, we're gonna be looking at fixing that back part of the frame, driver's side, fabricating the passenger side new frame rail to be put in. Already did it. Painting the bottom half of the Jeep where all that Bondo was. Also taking out the belly pan. I wanna touch that up. There's a decent amount of rust on it. Maybe weld in just a couple replacement panels. I can fix this one and it's free to fix. Like, I have the time and I have a skill set, so I might as well fix that for free, put my money somewhere else. Still not doing that CB radio and seeing how far we can get. All right guys, so this is one of the reasons why I needed to work on the frame. This is what's happening with my transfer case pan. So I don't know if it's that clear in the video, but basically the bolt is just coming in and out of the frame. If I bash this against a rock, I kind of want to see what happens, but the entire thread housing is just coming through the frame. The back one, the thread housing doesn't want to come through the frame, but it's spinning with the bolt. So that's kind of the pickle I'm in right now. I have cut out this part of the body before and welded in sheet metal to kind of fix it. And I just put Bondo over it to try and make it look a little bit prettier. Over the winter, that Bondo froze and started cracking. So I figured if I have the rear fender flares off and the wheel out, at least I can get more than just the frame figured out. So a bunch of little projects, or I guess big projects bunched together. So I've actually started painting the other side. Funny thing is I got paint that doesn't even match. That's always fun. So I just painted all of that. And then it comes around this way and I painted all of that. So it's gonna look a lot better than what I did before. I'm almost done welding up the driver's side right behind the door. So here's a quick look at how the welds look. I got full penetration all the way through the metal, which is great. I'm gonna grind off some of the welds just a little bit, and I'm gonna touch it with some spray paint. All right guys, so I've had a super busy day today. I have been working on fabricating the frame replacement for the passenger side. I still have to drill the holes. I have pretty much all the hardware I need. So I'm gonna try and save the hardware that was previously on the Jeep. I have a Daystar lift kit. So these bolts came with the lift kit, so they're fairly new. They don't really have that much rust on them, and they're long enough to fit the spacers that I need. So other things I've done today is I was able to get that belly pan off, which was a hassle because there's 6 bolts, and kind of what I just explained before with the OEM bolt. Most of them didn't really want to come out. Out of the 6, I only had 2 that actually just unscrewed. 2 of them ripped a hole in the frame that is the same diameter as this. So there's really big holes in the bottom of the frame. And then 2 of them are actually still in the frame. Basically what ended up happening is I just kind of shook this until it fell out. Okay, so it's been a super busy day. We got a lot of stuff done. There's more things to do tomorrow. I gotta go grab a can of paint so I can finish painting off the body, so we can put the fender flares and the mud guards back into the wheel well. Then I just can focus on the bottom of the Jeep. There are 2 main things that I'm gonna be looking at doing for tomorrow. One of them is fixing up that belly pan, and the second one is fabricating the other frame rail piece for the driver's side. I still have to drill the holes and weld the nuts in, so that's probably my goal tomorrow. I might even weld this one into the frame before I start the driver's side, just so I kind of learn a little bit more, and maybe when I make the driver's side there's a couple adjustments I make. All right guys, so I stayed up pretty late yesterday working on the Jeep. Thank you for tuning in, it means a lot to me. Stay tuned, there's a lot of cool stuff coming up, and I'll see you in a little bit.